Let's talk about making a left-hand turn. In fact, we're gonna go ahead and make a right-hand turn. We're looking left and right. We'll go out to the nearest lane. You always turn into the nearest lane. And we're gonna proceed up. I'm gonna give you some night driving tips. If you don't know, I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. We're gonna go ahead and talk about night driving. I'm gonna go ahead and do an expressway merge for you. So the entry lane to make a right turn is over here to right source mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this light. I have a red light, so that means I have to stop. Now I can turn on red, but I'm gonna wait and look, and then I make my turn into the first lane. And there I go into the lane. And then I accelerate up to speed. Night driving can be fun, but it can be a little bit hazardous. It's hard to see at night. This vehicle does have some high output headlights, but that may not help all the time. I'm gonna go ahead and get over one lane to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. The speed limit here is 50 miles an hour. And if you notice, it's almost 10 p.m. and there's not a lot of cars out here. You know, people are home, out here for you to show you about, whoa, they're flying. I think that was the police. That's a teachable moment, or a city vehicle, or undercover. So yeah, I'm gonna make my left-hand turn, and this is a teachable moment. Things like that can catch you off guard. So here's these Chevron alignment signs. That kind of spooked me a little bit. They tell you if you're really sharp curve, and we're going around the curve. We have our white line to the right, that's the edge line. There's a yellow line to the left. So I'm just going around the curve really easy. It is a full moon, so that could mean something. So I'm gently, oh, there's a little accident over there on the other side of the road, or emergency situation. So I merge up very easily. I take my time. The speed limit here is 70, so I'm just gradually getting up to speed. This is an SRT truck, so I'm not trying to go super fast here. Just cruising, taking my time at about 65 miles an hour. Even though the speed limit is 70, I'm just gonna take my time and show you guys how you properly merge out and have good speed control. On your DMV test or road test, you're gonna get on the expressway, you're gonna get off the expressway. So I'm gonna turn on my right-hand turn signal, right is up, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I merge in, and then I would de-excel. So I'm gonna cancel my blinker. I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna just come up as smooth and easily as possible. We have our Chevron alignment signs again, and these reflectors to help you navigate on the road safely, because you could end up in the ditch if you're coming up too fast, and no one wants to be in the ditch. Trust me. So we have another group of Chevron alignment signs. They tell us this is a really sharp curve. So I'm going up smooth and easily, and I'm staying to the right because I want to make a right turn. And then I go up to the stop line. There's that full moon again. And I'm looking to the left, checking cars. I'm waiting for a gap. I have a safe gap. A gap is a space. I go into the second lane. Normally, you would go into the first lane, but this first lane is for turning in this private drive. So I'm scanning the intersections, looking ahead. Speed limit here is 50. I'm at about 38 to 41 miles an hour. Taking my time, being a safe driver. That on and off the expressway is typically what you'll do. You'll get on at about a mile, you'll get off at about a mile. They're not trying to keep you on and have you do multiple things. I'm gonna go up here and get over one lane to the right, so it's mirror, turn signal, blind spot. These are some of the typical maneuvers you'll do. You've got to check your blind spot. You see me looking to the left, you see me slowing down, and then I turn hand over hand into the nearest lane. Oh, if you don't know, I'm a state certified instructor. I teach driver safe tutorials. I do DMV prep, test prep. If you find this content interesting and you like and subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you. Have a great day.